Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a drop-down list in Google Sheets allows you to select predefined options from a menu, which is very useful for data validation and ensuring consistency in data entry. For example, once you are here on the Google Sheets that you are working on, I want you to select the cell. For example, the number 1, number 2, row 2, and then that cell. Click on data. No, click on insert. Now I'm sure it's around here. Yeah, go to data. I'm sorry, and then click on data validation. It's been a while that I've done this. Now here I want you to click on the add a rule. All right, so here you can simply go from a drop down or a drop down from a range, but we're just gonna be selecting the first option. You have, maybe let's rename this as Andy's Guides, and you have an option to change the color. Now I'm gonna choose the green, and this one's gonna be a little bit red. All right, and these guides, you can add another item that you wanted for as long as you want, but I'm not gonna do with that. I'm sticking to the two options. Now this drag and drop, now you can put it in the bottom or in the upper part of your data validation as your drop down list. You also have an advanced option here where you see you can click the show help text from a selected cell, click and enter a value from the list of the item. If you don't want that, just show a warning if you wanted, or reject the input. The display style would be from a chip, going to the arrow, or plain text. But if you change your mind and don't want the rule here, just remove the rule. But if you're happy with it, just click on done. Now click on add rule. You see there's going to be an option here for the option 1 and option 2. All right, and again, you see that's one of the good cool thing about it. And again, now I'm not sure why it doesn't that, but I'm gonna try to change it again to a different color. Okay, so let's check if that happens. There you go. This is simply how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Now, the thing is, this feature streamlines data entry, reduces error, and ensures consistency in data input across your spreadsheet. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.